every night, fucks every day.
Yo. What's up, guys? So today we are in Hwedza, in Makurumure Falls, where we are having our last hike. And we are giving back to the community. I know, right?
Charity.
We are givers like that. It's actually charity. So stay tuned. It's gonna be amazing.
I have nothing to say.
What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? In English.
The word of the day.
Yeah.
Raincoat.
A young phrase, Nyana. In English.
Yeah, then I'm going to make sure now.
I'm going to image guys. Yo, in the water chilling. I'm saying that Borojo extension.
Maji? Tora. Yo.
Apana pandinombozvisa
kushuta video that are consent zvongoramba yakasika wari poto bada kunama nemakopyright.
jump scare.
Teshi, the sniffing one is here.
I know this one's flavored. Strawberry.
Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is Lindy, we're from Hike and Climb 263. So, today is the 22nd of December. Unity Day, Baba. We're uniting the Mugomo. So right now we're going to Makurumure Waterfall. This is like our 6th or 7th time that we're coming to Hwedza Makurumure Waterfall. Saka chimondo zoti pagore rese 2025. Pataka we are 5 times, 6 times Makurumure. Why did you come? Next year we're not coming back here. Takamira kuroteswa dzimwe nzvimbo muwani but uya chete.
Translate English.
What's the next one?
Okay.
Go hiking with the play. Take two hiking. Get out.
Visita stereki nzvimbo inoyi kubva last year mungati gamuchira zvakanaka saka tati tiuye timboita give back kwamuri kune vana vabereki nevasina chekubata kana chekudya Christmas ino. Saka vanhu vakangounganidza vauya vari pano nevasipo vakaunganidza zvakawa zvinhu izvozvi pashoma ipapapo patauya napo kuti musabaya
Going crazy! Get me up! Get me up!